Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Reolink sent me this special box for the 15th anniversary in 2024. So let's dive in and find out what's inside. Oh, with a magnetic opening. Nice! Special collector's box with 3 small boxes. I like it! Premium unboxing experience. A big thank you to Reolink for this thoughtful gesture. Hi, it's been 15 years since we started the journey together and your support has been the driving force behind our every step. So here's to you for trusting us all this long. Cheers to 15 years and many more to come. I wish you 100 years, why not? 256GB micro SD card and 1 t-shirt. Nice blue color. Reolink. Okay, thank you again. 15th anniversary, be prepared, be Reolink. Of course. And this is the Reolink dual band Wi-Fi battery doorbell. I was expecting for this product for a battery doorbell, and there it is. Reolink storage hub for battery Wi-Fi cameras. I have made a video and for this hub you can check all these videos down below the description at the Reolink playlist. Quick start guide, drilling template for the screw holes, operational instruction for the Reolink chime, extension cable, 2, jumper cable, pack of screws with this extraction tool if you want to remove the doorbell from the mounting plate, and there is the horizontal wedge. You can adjust the angle of the doorbell. It goes at the back, at this position. And you can use the screws for mounting at the wall. We have the USB-C cable, 1 meter, type A to type C, to charge this doorbell. And here it is, the doorbell. Wow, I like it! 15th anniversary. At the front we have the button, the daylight sensor, and of course the most important 2K 4MP Super HD lens to enjoy crystal clear images with expansive 180 degrees diagonal head-to-toe view for full visibility. Here it is the infrared lights, the PIR sensor with built-in 2 microphones, and the speaker here for two-way audio communication with visitors or initiate a video call without opening the door. That's how you know who is in front of the door. It is waterproof, designed to withstand all weather conditions. Here we have the indicator light at the front, and at the back it is the terminal block, these 2 screws. You can connect the extension cable or the jumper cables. You can connect it directly to your doorbell wires or charge it and use it as a portable doorbell. Input it is 8 to 24 volt AC or 24 volt DC. Inside it has a 7000 mAh rechargeable battery. Battery life varies based on settings, usage and temperature of course. Or you can use the 5 volt input Type-C. There's the cover. You can connect the Type-C cable, use a 5 volt 2 amp power adapter to charge the doorbell. And of course here at the back we have the power button. Let's install the micro SD. No memory fees, local storage with micro SD card slot, supports for up to 256 GB. Reolink micro SD card. Visit reolink.com, many accessories for all your cameras. And it is very easy to install. Press and it locks. Nice! I like it. It is small. Definitely it will fit at your front door, wherever you want. Main entrance, at your store. And how it works. So, it is very easy. Press and it will lock. And with this tool, press and remove the doorbell from the base. And of course don't forget, you have the smart detection, detects people, vehicles and packages, alarming you without delay. Next we have the Reolink chime with the status LED indicator ring at the front, the setting button, audio button and the volume button. And of course the speaker. Just plug it in and it is ready. I will show you of course. So now let's give it a charge before the first use. And then I will start the setup to my network. Stay connected to your home or business anytime, anywhere with the Reolink app or client. 5 volt power adapter. LED ring around, I like that.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera. Willkommen bei Reolink. Bitte Reolink-App installieren und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen. Bienvenue à Reolink. Veuillez installer l'application
Choose
Reolink
Wi-Fi
et
connection.
scanner le code QR sur la caméra.
Remove it.
Benvenuto a Reolink. Si prega di installare l'app Reolink e scansionare il codice QR sulla telecamera.
2.4 or 5 GHz, 5
Por
GHz.
favor, Reolink y
Enter the Wi-Fi password.
Welcome to Reolink.
Next.
Please install Reolink app and scan the QR
Scan now.
code on the camera. Willkommen bei Reolink. Camera is
Perfect.
connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded.
Next.
Welcome to Reolink. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Illegal login, logout, disable or enable. Create a password. Next. You can rename the doorbell. Next. Formatting. Please note that battery cameras are not designed for 24/7 continuous recording. Correct. I got it. And finish. That was also easy to set up your new doorbell. Install doorbell, start to install. Wired or battery only. Battery only for now. Perfect. Some instructions. Yes, I have. There it is. And to connect the chime at the doorbell, go at the settings of the doorbell, chime, existing chime settings or Reolink chime, Reolink. OK, plug it in, long press the setting button. There is the setting button, the first one. Next, pair. Pairing succeeded. You can rename the device and done. Light indicator on or off. You can choose different sounds, adjust the volume. The same for person, if you want to choose different sounds for person, vehicle, package or others. Device info, you can rename the device or reset the device. Hello, how are you? Thanks for keep watching my video. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Reolink battery doorbell, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. High definition video quality, capturing clear and detailed footage. Whether it's day or night, you can rely on the sharp 2K resolution to see everything happening at your doorstep. Faces, packages, and visitors are all captured with impressive clarity. The doorbell's wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view, ensuring you can see more of what's happening outside your door. This expanded perspective helps you to monitor a large area and enhances overall security. The doorbell's motion detection feature triggers recording and sends alerts when movement is detected. This ensures that you are always aware of any activity at your front door, and the video quality remains high to capture every moment clearly. The Reolink battery doorbell comes with a high-quality built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to communicate clearly with visitors at your doorstep. Whether you are home or away, you can greet guests, give instructions to delivery person,
or ward off potential intruders directly from your smartphone. The real-time audio feature ensures that you can have instant conversations with anyone at your door. This immediate interaction is perfect for confirming identities, giving directions, or simply chatting with friends and family who stop by.
Now at the main screen you can trigger the audio alarm. You can choose to view other cameras, day and night, auto, black and white or color, I will show you at the night, immersive or picture-in-picture. You can pause live streaming, resume, mute and mute a speaker, take a screenshot, save it to phone album you can share, start recording what are you seeing at this moment with the camera, stop recording and you can share. You can choose clear, balanced or fluent resolution, clear it is the highest. You can go at full screen, quick reply.
I'm sorry, I think you've knocked on the wrong door.
Hi, we'll be right there. Please wait a moment. Hi, please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later.
And add the settings of the voice message, auto reply, waiting time 2 to 20 seconds, none. You can choose one of these. You can play, start record, testing 1 2 3 testing, testing 1 2 3 testing, stop recording, test, save, and you can choose to play the test voice recording, rename or delete. Playback, you can choose this footage, whatever you want. You can go back a few days before. pause, resume, mute and mute, take a screenshot, start recording what are you seeing at this moment. You can choose clear or fluent resolution. Clear it is the highest, you can go at full screen. Playing slowly. And of course you can even download the footage, slide with your finger, maximum 120 seconds, and download. And of course you can choose for motion detection, car detection, person detection, package detection, whatever you want. Others. You can go back a few days and check the footage. It depends the storage capacity you have. And back again. Now let's go at the settings. Reolink doorbell. Some information about the device. Storage. You can format. Storage space. Update device. Auto update, disable, enable, update manually. Battery is charging right now. Running time for last 4 weeks. Wi-Fi speed test. Start the test. You can choose other Wi-Fi networks, 2.4 or 5 GHz. Display. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Stream. Clear. You can choose resolution, frame rate, max bit rate, fluent, resolution, frame rate, max bit rate. HDR auto, on or off. Anti-flicker, 50-60 Hz, other or close. Day and night, black and white, color or auto. You can adjust the brightness. Camera name, top left, center right, bottom left, center right, or height. The same, and for the date. Disable, enable the watermark. Privacy mask. Press and drag to draw a black rectangle up to 8 on the screen to block out a specific area. And you will have these results. Remove all. Brightness and shadows, auto, or adjust the brightness, the shadows, restore, black and white, or auto. Audio, record audio, disable, enable, doorbell button sound, disable, enable. You can adjust the volume, voice message. We saw that on the main screen. Light, indicator light, switch off or on. Infrared lights, auto or stay off. Button ring light, auto, stay off, auto, and always on at night. Chime, existing chime settings, automatic chime detection. Have you powered up the doorbell? OK, advanced. Chime type, you can choose. Or Reolink chime. We have seen that. PER motion sensor, on or off. Sensitivity from 1 to 100. Reduce false alarms if you have any problems. Detection alarm, non-detection zone for person, paint, erase, paint all, erase again, erase all. For vehicle, package, or others. Motion mark, disable, enable, it is on beta. sensitivity, smart detection, for person, from 1 to 100, vehicle or package. Object size, moving objects that are smaller than the minimum object size or bigger than the maximum object size will not trigger alarm. Okay? Minimum object, maximum object, for person, vehicle or package. And you can delete. Camera recording, disable, enable, schedule, for person, vehicle, others, visitor, package. Choose the day of the week, adjust with your finger, disable, enable, copy to other days of the week. Post motion record, you can choose 8, 15 or 30 seconds. Override record, 1 day to 30 days, override the oldest files or none. Push notifications, disable, enable, incoming call for doorbell, visitor ringtone. You can go to the settings on your smartphone and adjust the notifications. Device notification ringtones, urgent notification, important, general notification, you can choose. And schedule, the same, you can adjust. Email alerts, enable, enter your Gmail or Yahoo Mail are recommended, and you will get email alerts. FTP, enable, data transfer will not be encrypted when using FTP. Okay, and you can adjust all these settings if you want to record your video files at the FTP server. Time lapse, try now, moving clouds, sunrise, sunset, construction, blooming, customize, choose the days of the week, hour, minute, direction, day, hour, minutes, finish capture automatically, disable, enable, override time-lapse files, interval, quality, file type, and start. Installation method, you can watch again the instructions, advance, share the device to other members of your family, allow management, view only, authorization ends on. The other person needs to have a Reolink account. Illegal login, logout, change device password, day and time, reboot and restore. Log out of the device and delete the device. Now let's move on and check the video quality at the night. This smart doorbell is a game changer for home security, combining excellent video quality, advanced features and user-friendly design. The Reolink battery doorbell delivers crystal clear 2K video quality, ensuring you never miss a detail. With its wide-angle lens and advanced HDR technology, you get a comprehensive and clear view of your doorstep, day or night. The powerful infrared LEDs provides excellent night vision, so you can see clearly even in complete darkness. This feature is crucial for maintaining security around the clock. With high-quality built-in microphones and speaker, you can communicate easily with visitors in real time. The noise cancellation technology ensures clear conversations, make it easy to interact with guests, delivery person, or even deter unwanted visitors. The intelligent motion detection system sends instant alerts to your smartphone when movement is detected. You can customize sensitivity settings to avoid false alarms and ensure you are notified on any significant activity. The wire-free installation is a breeze, and the long-lasting battery ensures continuous operation. Plus, the Reolink app makes it simple to monitor and manage your doorbell from anywhere. The modern and stylish design of the Reolink battery doorbell complements any home exterior, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. If you are looking to enhance your home security with a smart doorbell that offers top-notch video quality, advanced features and ease of use, this doorbell is an excellent choice. It's a new product, just release it, so don't wait, order now. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.